Back in 2022, JWST observed some red dots in the very early universe. You might think I'm skipping some details, but the objects are actually known as little red dots, or LRDs. Astronomers at the time suggested the objects could be fully evolved galaxies like the Milky Way, except they'd grown that big in just the 500 to 700 million years since the Big Bang. For comparison, our galaxy is 13.6 billion years old. This was always a bit problematic. How did these galaxies evolve so quickly? Where did the material come from to build them so soon after the Big Bang? Why were these galaxies so bright? If confirmed as galaxies, these objects would have broken our understanding of how the universe formed and how galaxies evolve. Fast forward to September of 2025, and now the astronomers have a different and less universe breaking interpretation of their data. It's possible these little red dots are an entirely new class of object dubbed a black hole star. From the outside, these dense objects look like cool, supermassive stars, but they're being driven from the inside by energy released from material accreting onto a black hole. In addition to the original data from 2022, the team obtained more data in 2024, and in July of that year found spectra of one object in particular that they called the cliff. Its light had been traveling to Earth for almost 12 billion years, and by examining the properties of the cliff in detail, they were able to show that it didn't fit the model of huge clusters of stars as you'd expect from a galaxy. In fact, the cliff appeared to be a single object, a supermassive black hole wrapped in a ball of hydrogen gas. The astronomers think perhaps we're witnessing the early stages of black hole formation that leads to the supermassive black holes we find at the center of almost every galaxy. Because of their vast distances from us and their relatively small size, the LRDs are hard to study. It will take a lot more work to determine if other LRDs are similar to the cliff or if there are multiple different classes of red dot out there. Still, this is a great first step in resolving the mystery of the LRDs, and it goes to show that when new data comes along that contradicts earlier analysis, scientists jump on the opportunity to be proved wrong and come up with new and better theories to explain the universe around us. That's today's video. I'll catch you in the next one.